After installing the plugin, you will not be able to see it under your applications folder, or if you are on Windows, under your program files folder, because Kwik is just a plugin for Photoshop. So in order to see it, you must install Photoshop first. Let's run Photoshop. When you start Photoshop for the first time, a few windows are going to come up at the same time. One of them is your web browser, which we will cover in a while. So back to Photoshop. Again, it's the first time that you're running Kwik, so you're going to receive this message, which is, before starting the setup, select and copy the line below. So we're going to select this line here, copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac, and we're going to follow this. Go to your browser, which we have open here, and remember, if you are on a Mac, Safari is the best choice, or Firefox, and if you are on PC, Internet Explorer or Firefox, because the step that we're going to do right now is not compatible with Chrome, because Adobe Flash settings is not compatible with Chrome. So if Chrome is your preferred browser, make sure that you are using an alternative one. So what we have to do according to this set is select Edit Locations, which is here, then Add Location, and simply we need to paste what we have just copied and confirm. That's it. This is the only thing that you have to do here in the website. You can even close it and now accept the OK. So Kwik will ask you again for confirmation. Did you follow the previous step? Because if you do not follow the previous step, you're going to have an issue in a new step. So in our case, yes, we did follow it. So yes. So from now we have this new welcome to Kwik guidance, and our new mascot Candice will guide us during this process. So it says here that we still need to configure a few other things besides Flash, which we just did. So let's start it. The first thing is about the plugin size. As we can see here, the first time the plugin may come in a weird size. We cannot access it now, but it will remind us to simply drag, and we are going to do this just after in order to see it properly. The following step is just for Mac, which is regarding image compression. So if you're on a PC, you don't need to do anything here. But one important thing to pay attention is, if you did not follow the first step, which was to properly configure Flash, you will not be able to click the next here. So if you did that, you have to click OK here, or cancel using ESC key on your keyboard, and start everything again. So you're gonna have to quit Photoshop and start again. So in our case, because we did the proper step, it says here we need to open terminal. So we're gonna come here to the spotlight, or to search, and terminal, and all we have to do is to paste. So paste, and we have a command and hit enter. So we are hitting enter, and this is everything that we have to do in this screen. The next step, again, is for Mac only. It's still in the terminal. Again, paste, do the proper command in the terminal. We can go to the next step, which says that we are set. So now we can start to work with Kwik properly. But there's another step that I like to do, otherwise you are gonna be every time that you start Kwik, be alerted again that you need to configure everything, which is to disable to check this mark here, do not show this window again. So this way, the next time you start Kwik, you will not need to do all the steps again. So if later on you decide to come back and to install again and to do the settings another time, all you have to do is to come into the settings and enable the show welcome window again. So now it's just a matter of properly resize our plugin until we cannot see any white anymore. So that's a good way. And that's it. You have everything configured properly.